Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the keyboard type and model because the fix depends on construction and switch type. Once done, power off and disconnect to avoid shorts and accidental commands. Remove batteries if present. Now, set up a clean workspace and arrange tools, screwdriver, compressed air, and a soft cloth so you won't interrupt the flow. You're taking these steps to isolate vibration sources and ensure safety, which saves time and prevents damage during deeper inspection and repair. You now reproduce the vibration to find its origin. Tap keys and keycaps and listen for rattles under different pressures because resonance can be localized. Once you identify the zone, remove keycaps and check stabilizers, screws, and mounting points. Tighten loose screws and add small rubber washers to reduce metal-on-metal vibration. If the case or PCB is resonating, apply foam or silicone pads in strategic spots to absorb energy. These fixes address both the mechanical source and the amplification path. You finish by reassembling the keyboard and thoroughly testing every key at different pressures to ensure the vibration is gone. Make incremental adjustments to damping material placement if small resonances remain. If a particular switch continues to vibrate, replace that switch or slightly loosen an over-torqued mount because stress can transmit vibration. If problems persist, isolate sections by removing parts to pinpoint intermittent sources, and consider professional repair for structural cracks or complex solder issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.